So we have planned actually doing whole of Cornish Coastal path. So this is part 2 of our coastal walk. We have taken off from Porthtowan and going towards Portreath. Finally we got a parking space, which was after 15-20 minutes. Extremely beautiful day today and lots of people on the beach. This is a wheel tie. Mining for tin and copper at this site had a long history, but the structures most clearly visible today date from 1920s. BEA beautiful. That is Godrevy Lighthouse, and from Portreath it took us about 2.5 hours. From here it looks like we could reach there within an hour. It doesn't look that far. Very deceptive. Feels like a proper trek. This dome and the monument right behind it, Cornwall, can be seen from a lot of the parts of southwest Cornwall. There's a landing strip just beside it. So we have decided to go back for today. We've only done about 5 kilometers today, so we're going back. We will do the rest of the part in our next series. Adios, amigo.